Hello, friends. Today I will tell you an inspiring story. It is about a young man named Arif and his journey to speak English with confidence. Arif lived in a small town. He had a big dream. He wanted to speak English fluently, but in his town, nobody spoke English. So he had very little practice. Every morning, Arif woke up early. He read English books. He watched English videos. He repeated sentences out loud. But still, he was nervous. When he tried to speak, words came slowly. Sometimes people laughed at him. One day, Arif met a traveler. His name was David. He came from London. Arif wanted to talk, but he was afraid. Finally, Arif gathered courage. He said, "Hello, my name is Arif. Nice to meet you." David smiled and replied, "Hello, Arif. Nice to meet you too. How are you?" Arif said slowly, I am fine. I want to speak English with you." David said with kindness, "Of course. Don't worry, speak slowly. I will listen." From that day, everything changed. Every evening, Arif met David in the park. They talked about food. They talked about music. They talked about family and dreams. Arif made many mistakes, but David always encouraged him. One night, Arif's father asked, "Son, why are you spending so much time with English?" Arif answered with hope, "Because I want a better future. English will help me study abroad. It will help me make friends. It will help me find good work." His father smiled and said, "I am proud of you. Keep going." After 3 months, David returned to London. On the last day, he said, "Arif, remember this. Practice every day. Don't stop. One day you will speak like a river, clear and free." Arif promised himself he would never give up. Years later, Arif became a teacher. He opened an English learning center in his town. His students loved him because he taught with stories, not only grammar. Arif told them, "When I was like you, I was shy and afraid, but mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are teachers. Speak bravely, and you will learn." Moral of the story. So friends, Arif's dream came true. His story teaches us, don't be afraid of mistakes. Confidence grows with practice. And never give up on your dream.